So here we're just going to change or check the air conditioning cabin filter on a Hyundai I30. So just drop the glove box down, take most of the stuff out. On the left you've got a screw plug and on the right you've got a screw plug. So just twist them anti-clockwise, comes straight out. Next one straight anti-clockwise. And then on the left you have the little shock absorber, which you just plop off with a finger, and then the glove box drops right down, and then up inside you squeeze the left hand side of the clip and then the right hand side. They just squeeze together and that comes out. It's the retaining base. And then you can slide the cabin filter out. As you can see, this one's not too bad. A little bit of dirt in there, but that should be fine. You can just blow that out, otherwise replace that. It's a Westfield filter, it's been replaced from standard. That's pretty good, so we'll go ahead and clean that out and then whack it back together. So now I've just blown it out, got all the dirt out of it because it wasn't too bad. Just slide it back up in its slot. You can see up in there, and now we'll put the retaining plate back on. It's a little bit fiddly. It's clipped in. Push our shock absorber back on. So we've got the shock absorber back on. Get our two end plugs and just screw them back in clockwise. Get our second one. Screw that in. That's how it goes. Now I've just got to fill all the contents back for the customer.